Living in Eagle means enjoying beautiful seasonal changes, from frosty winter mornings to warm, sunny summer afternoons. But those seasonal extremes can put your home to the test, especially when it comes to large glass features like patio doors. If your current patio doors feel drafty in winter or allow too much heat inside during summer, it may be time to consider how modern patio doors are designed to handle Eagle's climate. Today's energy-efficient patio doors offer year-round performance that keeps your home comfortable, protected, and efficient. Winter performance. Blocking cold air and drafts when temperatures drop in Eagle, poorly insulated patio doors can quickly become a weak point in your home's thermal barrier. Cold air infiltration around worn seals or older single-pane glass can make nearby rooms feel chilly and uncomfortable. Modern patio doors are built with double or triple pane glass. Between the panes, insulating gas such as argon helps reduce heat transfer. This layered construction acts as a barrier, keeping warm indoor air from escaping and preventing cold outdoor air from entering. Advanced weather stripping and tight ceiling frames further enhance winter performance. When professionally installed, high-quality patio doors eliminate drafts and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, even during freezing conditions. Preventing condensation issues. Winter can also bring condensation challenges. Older patio doors may allow moisture buildup on the interior glass surface due to poor insulation. Energy-efficient patio doors are designed to maintain a more stable interior glass temperature. This reduces condensation, helping protect surrounding trim and flooring from moisture damage. For Eagle homeowners, that means better durability and fewer maintenance concerns during cold months. Summer performance. Managing heat gain. When summer arrives in Eagle, patio doors are exposed to intense sunlight and rising temperatures. Large glass surfaces can allow significant solar heat gain if not properly engineered. Modern patio doors are equipped with low emissivity coatings that reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This technology helps block excessive heat without darkening your home. The result is a brighter interior that stays cooler, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system and helping lower energy bills. Improved insulated frames. Performance isn't just about the glass. The frame material plays a major role in how patio doors handle temperature changes. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are popular options because they resist expansion and contraction caused by seasonal shifts. Unlike older aluminum frames, which can transfer heat or cold more easily, insulated vinyl and fiberglass help maintain stable indoor temperatures. These durable materials also resist warping, ensuring your patio doors continue to seal properly over time. Energy efficiency year-round. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading patio doors in Eagle is improved energy efficiency throughout the year. During winter, they help retain heat. In summer, they reduce unwanted heat gain. This balanced performance creates a more comfortable living space while supporting lower monthly utility costs. Additionally, reduced strain on your HVAC system can extend its lifespan, offering long-term savings beyond energy bills alone. Maintaining outdoor views and natural light. Despite their insulating features, modern patio doors don't sacrifice beauty. Large glass panels still provide expansive outdoor views and abundant natural light. Whether you're enjoying snowy landscapes in winter or bright summer evenings, energy-efficient patio doors allow you to stay connected to the outdoors without compromising comfort. A smart investment for Eagle homes. If your patio doors struggle during seasonal extremes, upgrading to high-performance models can make a noticeable difference. Modern patio doors are designed to handle both Eagle's winter freeze and summer heat with ease. By combining advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and professional installation, you can enjoy year-round comfort, lower energy costs, and lasting durability. For Eagle homeowners, that means peace of mind, no matter what the weather brings.